In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Yahoo Finance app. So if you open up the Finance app and log into your Finance account here, so here on your home, tap on your home tab here. So if you're on the home tab here, if in order to buy stocks, you can't like directly buy stocks through the app because the app doesn't support purchasing anything because this is not a brokerage app or anything. So if you want to buy stocks, what you have to do is you're going to go and on your portfolios here, click on the three dots here on your top right, and then what we're going to do, you're going to link a brokerage. So click on link broker, and then you go to like link a broker, and then once you're linked, then only through the broker you can make purchases on your make purchases or buy stocks, but you can't actually directly purchase it through the app because this app is basically only for managing and for like analysis only. So they don't really have the option to purchase through the finance app itself. So this is how you can this is a workaround. So you just have to link the brokerage, and then you'll be able to buy stocks, and that's the workaround we have, and that's basically pretty much it is.